My name is Anna Caballe. I'm a content strategy manager for ONI. My curiosity for science, I think, began from a really young age. I think, like most people, as a child, I was really curious about the natural world, especially, I would say, around animals and as well about the human body. And I remember when I was around 10 that we studied the human body and the different systems, how they worked at school. And that was the first time I realized how magical it is, how amazing it is that everything works together, the different tissues, the different cells. And that really impressed me, and I was very curious into knowing more about that. And then in high school, I was really lucky to have a teacher that she was very, very inspirational, and she was teaching a human biology class, and she was kind of encouraging us to dissect things under the microscope, like organs and tissues. And that's when I actually got to feel the power of science in a way, and this power of curiosity. And yeah, that's how I got really into kind of the human body in general and biomedical research. And there is one more thing that I should add, and that's that on Catalan TV, once a year, we have a program that is called La Marató that highlights a disease every year. And they always show personal stories of people that are impacted by that disease, but they also feature the scientists that are working on those diseases. And that was the first time that I saw what scientists could look like and what science was doing and like fundamental research was doing to change people's lives. So that also kind of made an impact on me from a young age. Probably not my favorite thing, but something I really like is how people react when you tell them you're a scientist. That's just a small thing, more an anecdote. I would say it's really the ability, I guess, that one has potentially to see the world a little bit differently, to analyze it in a different way, to try and ask new questions that other people don't ask. And so it's kind of more a way of thinking mentality. And in general is the ability of having an impact to the world through knowledge. And that's something that I think is very powerful for being a scientist, even though I'm not an active researcher. I'm happy and I think very lucky that with the work that I do, I'm still able to have this sort of potential impact on society, helping, as I said, scientists communicate their science and making sure that I still stay close to really nice, cool science. What fuels my curiosity? I guess it's the wanting to know more. It's something that I feel knowledge has no limits. And I'm very kind of always eager to read about new science, learn more, and also find ways of how to communicate this science and kind of different ways of explaining things and telling a story, because at the end it's about storytelling as well. And that's something that, I'm always trying to see different ways of the people use to talk about new research, but new products as well, and new technology that's coming up as well that's facilitating science. If I had superpowers, I think I would like to make science a lot more ubiquitous, meaning that I would love for everyone across all levels of society and everyone around the world to understand science and the scientific method a lot more, and to understand and really get the value of fundamental research as well. And I think this on its own would have a big impact, because this would mean that everyone would really understand the scientific method, as I said. So hopefully across society, science would be a lot better understood, and this would obviously reach into key decision makers, funders, people that are can have a big impact into the way science is done, and hopefully would make science a lot more present. Scientists would be a bit more of like superstars kind of thing, and it would mean that science would be a lot more open as well, and it should be a lot easier potentially to publish new work, and everyone would be talking about it. That would be like a dream come true. curiosity will take me to new places, I hope, I expect. And I just, as I said, I like to always keep asking questions, asking how things work, why people are doing things this way and that way. I hope that this curiosity leads me into taking part into really exciting new projects, whether it's being part of new kind of type of conferences, bringing together people in the community, being really close to cool science and technology in general is what I would really like. And yeah, being able to collaborate with people that I never thought I would collaborate with, and that we could make really exciting projects come true that would really change, as I said, the way science is communicated and science is perceived for the benefit of all.